for What's in the Bag? The CA Anniversary Challenge.
In this challenge, you have to guess what is in the mystery bag.
It could be
Soft,
Hard,
small or big.
we don't know, but you can guess.
The most important thing is that you type your guess inside the comment section.
Remember to give one answer per comment only.
again, only one guess per comment.
And you get a chance to be the 8 lucky winners of our AI merchandise.
As part of the AAI Changre Grand Anniversary.
What are you waiting for?
Guess what's in the bag now?
Promo period is from September 19 to September 25. Winners will be drawn and announced live on September 26 at AAI Cha Angre campus. All winners may claim their prize from September 26 to 30. We are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Mondays to Fridays and from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday.